Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. The next product we're looking at that German import into the economy is different clothing items. The German market or the German people spend $69.3 billion to import different clothing items. Interestingly, top on the list is women wears. Women's suit is the largest among the different clothing articles being imported into Germany. Women clothing. And women clothing in this case will be non-knit women's suit. As a matter of fact, this is 10.6% of the $69.3 billion import of clothing materials into Germany. Of course, because it's a cold environment and cold region, sweater is also in high demand, particularly knit sweater, because they need something reasonably thick to be able to contain the cold in Europe. So knit sweater import by German market is actually 10.5% of the $69.3 billion. Knit men's suit, 8.54%. Knit women's suit, 7.72%. Knit t-shirt but knit t-shirt, 8.12%. Non-knit women coat, 3.85%. Other clothing articles, 2.87%. House linens, 2.73%. Non-knit men coat, 2.46%. Knit socks and hosiery, 2.18%. Non-knit women's shirt, 1.97%. Felt or coated fabrics garment, 1.92%. Non-woven textile, 1.88%. Knit women undergarment, 1.77%. Other women undergarment, 1.66%. Non-knit men's shirt, 1.53%. Knit women coat, 1.33%. Knit men's suit, 1.33%. Other knit garment, 1.29%. Non-knit active wears, 1.25%. Knit men's shirt, 1.16%. Knit men undergarment, 1.11%. Knit baby garment, 1.1%. You notice there are a lot of knit materials. And like I said, the reason why you have a lot of knit materials being purchased by this country is because of the cold in the country. Even window dressing, 0.73%. Even knit gloves, 0.171%. Packing bag made of clothing materials, 0.51%. Knit women's shirt, 0.67%. So many clothing materials being imported by this country, Germany.